Friends, today I am gonna show you a very impressive PowerPoint effect that can be used to present PowerPoint presentation that requires individual explanation. The content is clear and looks cool. Hello friends, my name is Sachil and you are watching channel Tech Today. Let's try it together and learn such a very impressive PowerPoint effect. Let's open a new PowerPoint file and I will name it as transition effect. Then clear the layout and keep it blank slide. First go to the insert option and insert a picture. Here comes a picture. Now right click on the picture from mouse and cut the image. Then go to the format background option by right clicking from mouse. Here select picture or texture fill and then click on clipboard option. Now here the slide background change to image. Now go to the shapes option under insert menu bar and select rectangle with rounded corner. Then draw it in the middle of the slide like this. Now change its color to white. Then no line option to be selected so that border line will be removed from shape. And change the transparency of shape to 20%. Now insert the text box from insert option and write letter A. Then change the font type and size. Now adjust the text at right side in the slide. Here I will give some PowerPoint effect to text. Now select the white rounded rectangle first and then hold Ctrl key and click on letter A. Then go to the shape format option and select subtract shape from merge shape option. Here the effect of hollowing out of the text will appear. Now let me add some more text to complete our slide. Then change its font type and size. So here our first slide is done. In the same way I will add few more slides by right clicking from mouse. And I will repeat the same steps as I did in first slide. Firstly clear the layout. Then insert picture. Now cut it. Then select picture or text fill. And then select clipboard. Now insert rectangle rounded corner shape and draw it. Then change color. Click on no line option and change transparency to 20%. Now insert text box and write letter B. Change its font type and size. Then adjust the text at right side in the slide. Now select rectangle shape first, then letter B and click on subtract shape given under merge shape option. Then add some more text to complete this slide. Here this slide is also completed. Now repeat the same steps to create the third, fourth, fifth and sixth slide. After completing all the 6 slides, select all the slides and go to the transition option given on top. Click here on the drop down menu and select rotate option. Here it is done. Now let's check the effect. Friends, don't you feel that it is really very impressive PowerPoint effect? If so, kindly write in the comment section how do you like this transition effect. Friends, if you like this PowerPoint learning, so kindly give thumbs up to this video, share with your friends and do subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.